Hey guys, Tyler at D2 Detailing. I am extremely excited this morning to get you some new information on a service that we have recently taken on. Obviously you can tell I didn't even take the time to put on an ironed shirt or shave. You're gonna hear my kids in the background. I simply do not care. I'm too excited to film this video. So I finally got the green light to share the fact that we are now certified installers of Yacht Armor. And what that is, it's a clear marine protection film. Now keep in mind they do have 52 different colors to choose from if you do want to change the color of your boat, whatever you see fit. But the big points of doing it are, it's 99% UV rated. Think about that. There is a 1% chance of oxidation forming on the exterior of your boat. No more paying someone to come down to the dock or you trailering your boat to the shop just for us to buff it and coat it. That's gone. And the other thing being dock rash, bumper rash, you don't even have to think about it anymore. This film self-heals in the sun if it were to take any sort of damage. I mean, unless you're out there just full speed ahead, ramming into docks, you're good, you're covered. It's insane to think about. It really is. I can't even comprehend it. So being a new boater myself, I've got a Cobalt 272. It's a 1995. This thing is it's not anything crazy, but you do have to think about, what you bought it for, what you're going to exit for. So if I put this stuff on there, I don't have to think about gel coat correction. I don't have to think about gel coat repair, no more paying for that. The really cool thing is the exterior is also hydrophobic, just like a coating. So you're still going to get that very easy to clean surface that you're used to when you work with us. The other cool thing being, its gloss is just off the charts. I've seen it. We've got samples. We've seen boats with it, and when we installed it in Florida, it's just night and day. It's nothing we've ever seen. This isn't a video that you'll see on Facebook in terms of some miracle product. This is a decade of developing, testing, all that good stuff. It's tried and true before they even released it. So we're honored to be able to provide that service to you. We actually got off a call with the owner, Michael Marino, yesterday. Incredible guy. I mean, we're diving into this all hands on deck, and something really cool that we're able to offer is he has agreed to do a web seminar online. You're more than welcome to attend. Any of our clients, you can just let me know if you'd like to do that. We don't have a set date or anything. I'd like to get a group together before we plan that, but Q&A, straight to the mind who invented it, who runs the company, who deals with everything. He can tell you anything about it, anything, it's really cool. I can't even formulate a sentence correctly because I'm so excited about it. It's going to change everything. So just wanted to get this information out. I don't care if I babbled. I just simply do not care. I am so excited to offer this to folks like you, whether you got an old boat, new boat. Let's get it protected. Let's change how things are done. So thank you for listening. You can text or call me whenever. I'm going to send this out on a text blast so everyone can see, but we'll be here and we're ready to take over. Thank you.